Professionals of the woodworking trade always look for the sharpest and most reliable tools to improve their craft and deliver outstanding results on every build. So in today's video, we will walk you through some woodworking tools that will completely transform how you work. Milwaukee Plunge Track Saw, a brilliantly engineered tool built for professional carpenters and remodelers. This unit delivers exceptional power to handle the densest woods with the high-performance brushless motor and heavy-duty steel blades. The Plunge Track Saw can smoothly cut through solid hardwood with its 6,300 RPM speed. But that's not everything. It also allows you to control the cutting speed using a variable speed trigger so that you can achieve the most consistent results. No surprise about Milwaukee's red lithium battery. Since the saw handles demanding jobs, it lets you perform more cuts than a conventional one. Concerned about overheating and over-discharging problems? No worries. The Red Link Plus intelligence system will ensure you stay protected from both. Now let's highlight an outstanding tool for the contemporary woodworker. The Woodpeckers Angle Depth Gauge features an innovative design and intuitive graduations, making it an essential addition to any workshop. With a machined notch at the end of the rule, you can effortlessly scribe perfect parallel lines. Thanks to the carefully milled groove in the head, you can be confident that the rule will always return square after every use, saving both time and effort. This versatile tool works well for measuring the depths of grooves and holes, marking out angles as a compact T-square for parallel scribing, and as a precise portable rule. Plus, its premium material construction makes the angle depth gauge highly durable and a dependable companion for all future projects.
A cordless chainsaw performs best for clearing trees or limbs that have fallen during a harsh autumn or winter storm. That's why Metabo introduced the MS3618 LTX BL40. It's a powerful cordless chainsaw that features an impressive 16-inch chain length and lets you tackle even the heaviest wood logs and larger trees with confidence. Equipped with an efficient brushless motor, it enables you to work faster with up to 22 meters per second chain speed. Most importantly, this chainsaw operates on two 18-volt batteries that allow you to complete up to 171 cuts on a single charge, making it a perfect solution for all-day projects. The variable speed trigger ensures smooth operation, while the cordless design provides greater mobility between different job sites. The Fiskars Power Lever steps in and rescues your day. It's a straightforward handheld tree trimming system that makes cutting high branches faster and more manageable. You can easily extend the pole to your preferred height, and it uses a traditional yet reliable method to cut through material. This power lever is ideal for thinner wood branches, but when you come across thicker ones, it handles those too. You can put it together in moments. Just connect the saw to the pole, and you're set to go. For a router tool delivering effortless precision and performance, trust the Triton TM-NR Trim Router. It delivers all the flexibility and capability you need, whether you're in the shop, on a job site, or tackling a project at home. With a sturdy 1.2 horsepower motor, you'll have the strength to handle even the most demanding cuts with ease. With a maximum cutting diameter of up to 30 millimeters, you'll unlock endless trimming possibilities. Thanks to the micro winder depth adjustment, every cut is accurate down to the smallest detail. Meanwhile, the 130mm fence range gives you the flexibility to manage wide applications with total confidence. Additionally, it includes a detachable trim base roller guide that maintains stability and consistent precision. Here's something that will bring your joinery projects to a whole new standard. The Kreg Custom Pocket Hole Plug Cutter is an all-purpose solution for woodworkers who want every project to stand out. With the ability to produce custom plugs from any wood species, this tool offers complete creative freedom. Plus, it fits into K3, K4, or K5 pocket hole jigs, so you can handle nearly any task at hand. Beyond that, the pocket hole cutter works with standard plug cutting bits, HD and micro bits, allowing you to cut wood fibers cleanly to deliver a smooth, consistent plug.
Additionally, there are hardened steel drill guides that guarantee reliable drilling, and the open design of the cutter allows quick and effortless plug release. The Milescraft 4012 Square Clamp Kit is an excellent option if you want to improve the clamping process for wood. These clamps make all squaring tasks straightforward, giving you an extra set of hands to hold your projects firmly, especially when driving fasteners. Each kit includes an 8-inch square clamp, which is lightweight, durable, and won't scratch or damage your workboards. You can pair this 4012 with nearly any clamping system. With the built-in patented dovetail tracks, you can quickly position the square clamps. Simply slide them toward the workpiece, press down the solid cam lever handles, and your project will be held firm with non-slip TPE clamp pads. If you are working on longer pieces, the included 3/4-inch clamps ensure your workpieces remain straight while you finish the remaining work. Next on the list is the Bosch Universal Impact, a multi-purpose cordless drill designed for efficient screwing and drilling across a range of materials, including wood, concrete, plastic, and metal. This tool comes in a compact form with comfortable ergonomics so you can operate it for extended periods. Plus, it features a capable brushless motor that delivers superior drilling performance and longer runtime. The Universal Impact has a 13mm metal chuck that secures drill bit attachment and allows straightforward accessory swapping. On top of that, you can select the torque across 20 settings and reach a maximum torque of 60 Nm, which translates to faster application. There's more. It also includes a 2-speed gearbox that gives you the precision needed on professional or DIY jobs. You may have used various hole saws before, but this particular one might look a little unfamiliar. The Wolfcraft Adjustable Hole Saw is designed for all standard diameters of interior work. This drill attachment has a built-in scale for all commonly used dimensions. The standout feature of this saw is that it includes 3 unique triple-tooth blades that deliver quick and clean results, even on demanding job sites. Assembly only takes a few seconds using the included Allen key. The Wolfcraft Adjustable Hole Saw features a triangular receptacle mechanism that lets you attach it to all standard drill chucks, meaning you're always prepared to answer the call from any job site. Now let's wrap up today's list with the Compro 353 Legit Square. This is a professional-grade tool that comes with a certified 90-degree angle. It has a solid stainless steel blade with permanently etched graduations, built for long-term use. Plus, it also features a cast aluminum handle with 4 precision-milled surfaces that deliver comfort and ease on every project. The most impressive feature of this tool is its unique retractable ledge support, which enables convenient hands-free use, and you can complete a wide range of parallel markings too. What more could you possibly want? So, that was our lineup of woodworking tools that are truly on another level. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more content like this in your feed.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.